One of the most innovative features of Algorithm DJay Pro 5 has to be the crossfader effects. So let me go over 5 of them that I find pretty useful and pretty cool. So first, let me show you how to turn it on. We're gonna go up here, we're gonna select our crossfader effect, then go ahead and turn it on. And now what this does is it'll override the crossfader on your controller or mixer and put an effect on it. So this first one is going to be a filter. It's more like a high pass filter. Let's give it a try. And notice as I go across the crossfader, not only are you fading across from one side to the other, you're also getting that effect as well. So that's a high pass filter. And second, I want to discuss the dissolve, which is more of a low pass filter. This is more my style. So let's go ahead and start that. And notice it also does sync the tracks as well, which is kind of nice, so you don't have to worry about, nudging the tracks as much. And this one, by about halfway, you're pretty faded out of that one, which is kind of nice, but something you have to keep in mind. Third, we get into the even cooler ones, which uses neural mix, which is Algorithm DJay Pro 5's stems. So first one I'm going to talk about is echo out. And notice this one starts echoing out right when you open it up. So this is something you'll probably want to do towards the end of the transition. Something like this. Super smooth, super nice. Then I'm going to switch up the track for this next one. We're going to get into drum swap, which will actually basically turn the drum stem off of this track and have this one playing on this side, which is a nice effect. I like that one a lot as well. And finally, which is probably one of my most used ones, if I'm using Algorithm DJay Pro 5 and Crossfader effects, has to be the tempo blend. So what this will do is it'll actually go ahead and not only you do a crossfader effect if you have it enabled, but it'll also make a big tempo jump or transition. So here we have this song playing at 102, and notice this song over here is playing at about 115. So if we go ahead and start this one. And we went from that first BPM all the way up to 115 seamlessly, right? We didn't have to move the pitch faders or tempo faders at all. All of that was handled just using the crossfader. Again, if you're interested in Algorithm DJay Pro 5 and you're just getting around to using it, definitely check out the crossfader effects. There's some really cool things you can do with it, some really technical things. I'm just really scratching the surface, trying to figure out how I can start using it in my sets, but those 5 right there, really usable. Well, that's all I got for this video today. If you found this video useful, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to this channel, as it really helps out the channel. And shout out to all my Patreons for supporting this channel. And if you're looking for a way to support this channel even further, check out my Patreon, link in the description below. And if you're looking for more one-on-one coaching, and I just added some new DJ edits for all my Patreon subscribers, so check that out. And of course, if you're looking for more DJ related content, click on one of the videos right here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.